Hey folks, what's going on? This is Jeff Linney. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out my Palm Beach Venture review. As you'll see, this is the members area. I am logged in right now. This is not just a screenshot. I signed up for the membership and I'm in here right now. Right now is June 26th. It's almost 10 p.m. Pacific time. The webinar started to purchase this, the Pocket Change Millionaire Summit, about 4 hours ago, and I picked it up about 2 hours ago or so. Now I've spent the past couple of hours going through this stuff, and I gotta say I'm excited. And so if I talk a bit on the fast side, I do apologize. When I get excited about stuff that I'm passionate about, like this, I tend to talk a bit on the faster side. So I promise I'm not high or anything. Just excited. I really am. So anyways, guys, what you got here is you got the Palm Beach Venture members area. And it's pretty basic for now because this is the first month. But you got the first recommendations right here, which of course is a minute why you're here. But I want to show you guys, a little bit of what you get when you become a member. So first of all, you got Teeka's welcome video. It goes into just to kind of what you'll be doing, what you can expect, when you can expect the monthly issues, and of course even some mindset stuff as well, which I think is actually something people should go into more. You got the quick start guide, of course, step 1, access special reports, step 2, read the manifesto. The manifesto, by the way, guys, I know it sounds boring, but go through that and read it. It actually explains not only what Teeka does, but how he does it. So it literally explains what Teeka looks for when he's making these picks and recommendations, and how you can do the same thing yourself in CBD, cannabinoids, medical marijuana, whatever. This is the process he uses to find these stocks before they blow up and get massive. It's pretty freaking phenomenal. See issues and updates. Blank right now, because right now is still the current month right now, but next month in July though, you're going to see the archive of June, which will be active. But for now though, we can view the current special reports, the current newsletter right here. You got the special report right here. Then you got the main one you want right here. This is going to be the 5 recommendations Teeka's recommending for this month. In fact, for 2019, even for 2020 as well. The legal cannabis market is set to go from 591 million to 22 billion in 3 years. Feel free to look it up, research it yourself. It's going to be massive. In fact, this CBD oil I have in my hand right here, if you look at the camera, I bought this online. It's phenomenal. I bought this online. It doesn't get you high. It actually does help with stuff. It helps with anxiety. With I'm not going to go into that stuff, but it's the real deal with medical uses, not even recreational. It's medical uses, and it's phenomenal. It helps with joint pain because I'm typing a lot. Anyways, you guys know that, so I'm going to move on. But yeah, the medical marijuana industry. I mean, if you guys would have got in 2016, you could be rich by now from the investments you're making. And right now, this is the best. This is the good time to get into the CBD market. Again, feel free to research this stuff on yourself. If you Google CBD right now, for example, it's just all stuff about CBD stock. CBD company buys 400,000 square foot pharmaceutical production center. And then another one, $20 CBD cream, which is not one of the picks, by the way. So my point is, this is hot right now, and this is, cryptocurrency was 2018 was all about cryptocurrency. 2019 is going to be CBD stocks, and even 2020 as well, I believe. So that being said, I think that's really all I can show you for now. Let me close this. Sorry, my personal blog right there. I think I can show you one more thing. I have to do some blurring out if I do, though. But if I show you the portfolio right here, down at the bottom, and I do have to blur this stuff out, I apologize. I don't know if I should. I guess I'll have to blur it out. So portfolio, these are the current picks. These are the 5 recommendations right here, the small cap stocks. You've also got 2 other recommendations right here. Now keep in mind, these were only made officially available 2 hours ago. So you're going to see the return just kind of standard up and down stuff, nothing crazy yet. But I know it. When I come back and check this in a month and a year, most of these are going to be a lot higher than they are right now. So I mean, for example, you got the investment here, the open date, the pick was made, the open price, the recent price, the return as of the last update. Of course, then you have yield, stop loss, and buy and notes. For example, this note here, buy up to $2.20, buy up to $6, buy up to $6.50. You just want to buy those and just hold. And if Teeka sees something going on, if he finds a new recommendation, you're going to get an alert, you're going to get an email, you're going to get a text message telling you, hey, buy this now, or hey, sell this now, take a profit, or even take a small loss. This is investing. There's no guarantees. However, these I think have potential to become ridiculously massive. And yeah, guys, so really that's about it. Let me make a note here to go in and edit, blur this stuff out, blur out at 4. It's funny, I think I started showing this at 4:20 into the video, which is kind of funny. I'm at 5 minutes and 40 seconds now. I think I started around 4 minutes and 20 seconds-ish. I don't know. We'll find out when I go through and make the edits. So that being said, guys, this is pretty phenomenal course. Now I do have to give a full disclosure here. I am an affiliate of the program, meaning if you do decide that you like my review, and if you do decide to maybe purchase via my referral link, which I've been grateful for, I do get a commission. I do get a small commission from that. So I want to show you a few more things. If you Google Palm Beach Venture Review, you're going to find my personal blog, jefflinney.com, right here, where I go into some more information that I just kind of covered now, but you can take the time to read it. I wanted to show you this right here. This is one of the stock recommendations. This is number 2, and I can show you this. I took this straight from the report. This particular company, this is the sales revenue for 2014, 2015, 16, 17, 2018. 2018 sitting around 50 million. The annual sales are estimated, now there's no guarantee of course, but they're estimated to get up there just to about $150 million in 2019. Of course 2020 and beyond, who knows, but I think this is looking pretty phenomenal. And then I should let you know, for each of the picks, Teeka does cover a few things. He covers the principals, meaning the company's I gotta fix that spelling error. The company's founders, chairpersons, their experience, what they've done, why you should listen to them. It covers outside sales stats, the company's growth strategy, why you can put your faith into them, or why you should invest in them. A technical analysis, what the company is worth, what it could be worth, and much, 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 much more. And then of course my final recommendation. I did mention a few things as well. If you invested in these cannabis stocks in 2016, your returns by May 2019 would be like this: 1800%, 1900%, 6,000% returns. So this is pretty massive stuff, So yeah, $1,000 into 64,000 into 20,000 into 19,000. Now again, I have to clarify this. There's no guarantees the same thing's going to happen here, but Teeka feels, as do I and many others, that this is what's going to happen. You're going to see these nice, massive numbers. I'm going to blur it out again there. Blur out 420 and 8. So that being said, folks, I just wanted to kind of take a quick few minutes to show you this. Again, I know I talk fast. I do when I get excited. I think I probably had too much coffee today also, which doesn't help. Too much caffeine, but hey, it is what it is. That being said, if you have any questions, let me know. Do me a favor, if you like this review video, click on the thumbs up for me. I do appreciate that. If you have any comments, I would prefer you leave a comment on my blog at jefflinney.com over here. You can drop a comment down below here. I'm going to get notification of that right away. YouTube notifications are turned off, so I might not say the YouTube comment or question for a couple of hours. That being said, folks, thank you again for your time so very much. Any questions, please don't be shy. I'm a real person. Let me know. Thank you.